Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about this gorgeous hair I'm wearing right now. This is 34 inches twisted lock, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this hair with my super short natural hair. My hair is super short now because I shaved the hair off about 4 months ago. I was having dry scalp and I also got tired of the hair. I decided to shave it off. So this is actually my first hairstyle that I'm gonna be doing with the hair since it started growing back. So let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy watching it, and please don't forget to share and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. So I've already made the rest of the hair of the camera, but I'm going to use this tiny one right here to do a demonstration for you guys. This is the hair I'm going to be using, so I have two of this. So I'm going to use one to wrap the hair before I use the other one. So I'm going to wrap it like this. And stop wrapping. Then I'm going to put it in between my fingers. And I'm going to take the other and use it to wrap it. I'm going to stop at this point and start twisting the hair like this. I'm going to twist it all the way to the end.
I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight, I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright, I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine, I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah, and your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine.